In this video, I'm going to talk about different apps residing within customer service. Now, customer service, as you know, is an application to manage a case and much more beyond the various channels which are directly or legacy available within the application. So, we can raise a case using uh, SMS, we can raise a case using the web portal, we can raise a case using the native portal, we can raise a case using the website or social channels. So, those all capabilities can be implemented within the customer service application. Now, primarily, there are three applications which are part of customer service. So, one is Customer Service Admin Center, then Customer Service Hub, and Customer Service Workspace. Now, once you add an add-on, then you may get something called as omni-channel for customer service. So, okay. So now these all applications help you set up customer service and enable the services within your organization. Okay. Now, once you install the customer service either from trial or from a production version, then you will see three or four different tiles. So these three tiles will always persist. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to explain you what this entire application does in short. Okay. Now, moving on to admin center. So with the style, we can see that this admin center is basically a unified app for customer service administration. Okay. Now it has various section for configuration called as workspace, productivity, knowledge, collaboration, general. Now within workspace, you can set up agent experience, how the agent sees the application once they log into the system. We can set up workspaces, session templates, notification templates for an agent, okay, to work on a specific case. From a productivity perspective, we can set up quick replies to an email. We can we can define a script for an agent so that the agent can specify those scripts before having a conversation with the customer, and at the same time they can have their own different email templates for responding to various queries or escalations or responses to the case operations. From a knowledge perspective, we can set up article templates, record types, set up different categories for the cases, set up portal for sharing the information. Okay, so it's basically setting up a knowledge base within your organization so that that knowledge base can be used to resolve the case. Collaboration can set up embedded chat within teams, customer support swarming. So those all things can be enabled using the collaboration section. And there are other basic general activities like setting up the macros, creating the targeted experience for the supervisors and the agents, leveraging the data analytics, AI, and other tool. Okay, so that's all can be achieved using customer service admin center. So basically, it's a hub to configure the administration part of the customer service module. Moving on to the next, customer service hub. Now, this is the main hub through which the customer service agent can do various activities. So, primarily, the main purpose is to manage the case. Okay, now this is the main activity of customer service application. So, an ability to add a case, create a case, okay, edit a case, view the case, close the case, delete the case. Those all things can be issued using this particular application. Now, apart from managing the cases, we can manage the queues as well so that the cases can be navigated or cases can be put into the queue, and then the agent can pick up the case from the queue and start resolving it. We can manage different social profiles so that we can set up various channels for receiving the case request. We can manage accounts contacts for which the case should be assigned or the agent should be assigned to. We can manage different knowledge articles, knowledge search. So configuring knowledge articles within your organization can be done using Customer Service Hub. You can manage email templates, email signatures, as we saw in the admin center. So it's the same. manage resources. If you have a resource management system within your organization, you can manage resources so that you define which resource work for which case, and then you can specify the resource specialization and skill set and availability within the scheduler. Now we can manage facilities, equipments, manage services, service activity, resource category. So this is all part of like the work order or service management within the customer service application. Now we can manage the fulfillment preferences for the cases or the request. We can manage scheduling of resources with the help of a scheduler, and we can manage organization units and business closures. So that's all activity can be done using customer service hub. Moving on to customer service workspace, this is what the agent will see, in the backend. Now it does similar activity with regards to customer service hub, but I would say it does a subset of activity. Now we can also manage case queues, activity, contacts, account here. The only difference between customer service hub and customer service workspace interface is that this is a multi-session interface. Okay, so you can create a session. So at the same time, you can view multiple cases and see how the cases go along in the journey. And if you are stuck in one case, then you can request for some assistance with the supervisor at the same time, parallelly work on other case as well. Okay, so it's basically uh, acting in a like a multiple session based way, so that you can be more productive and resolve the case in a good amount of time. Manage scheduling, manage service activities, and manage customer assets are also part of the customer service workspace app. Okay, so these are the three primary different apps. Now, this is a part of the add-on, so you may not find this installed, but once you install or enable the omni-channel experience for customer service, it basically extends the power of D365 Customer Service Enterprise. It enables an org to instantly connect across digital messaging channels. Okay. Now, you need an additional license though for it. It provides a unified experience for agent to view the agent dashboards, view historical analytics, view activities. You can manage cases, queues over here as well. You can manage accounts, contact, social profile. You can manage routing diagnostic. You can view amazing insights around the cases, around the agent's resolution of the ticket, and the historical data on which this application has been uh, set up. Okay, so those facilities, those features we can observe in the omni channel for customer service application. Now let me jump into the live application and show you how this looks in from a tile format. So once you have in the customer service application, you will see all this three different tiles. Okay, now I have opened the tiles before. Now this is how the customer service admin center will look. So it will have a nice interface. On the left hand side, you can see a section called as customer support, agent experience, operations. Okay, within customer support, you can view different queues. You can see different routing mechanisms. You can. This is also an important concept of work stream. So you can define the work stream. From an operation perspective, you can view the insights. You can, from agent experience, you can see the overview of workspaces. You can set up session templates, application tab templates, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's about customer service admin center. Now, from a customer service hub, you will see customer accounts, contact, social profiles, and you can view the cases, queues, knowledge analytics, knowledge articles, templates. And here in this area, you can change the area to scheduling, help, and support. So once you navigate to scheduling, you will see resources, facilities, equipment, org units, fulfillment preferences, etc. Now, the third app, which is a customer service workspace. Now, here you can see this various activities like contact, cases, queues, knowledge search. But this is basically multi-session. Now, if you see over here, this is like basically different tabs. Okay, so if I go into say any of the case, okay, it will open a new session. Okay, so it has opened a session for that particular ticket. So reset M365 password. Now here I can also go into say another ticket. Okay, and if you see here, it has opened it in another tab. I'll open in another ticket, let me open this. So at the same time, I can work on three different cases, and then I need not navigate to a different tabs within my browser. Okay, and I can parallelly work on all these cases. I can contact my supervisor if the case I'm not able to resolve the case, and those sort of information can be sorted for, and I can easily resolve multiple cases within a specific amount of time. So that's all about setting up those parallel process in place. So I'll go through all this application in my upcoming videos. So this was just a basic introduction on how this applications work. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching.